Never use plain water in your car. The cooling system mistake that can destroy your engine. Did you know that one simple maintenance mistake can destroy your engine and cost you thousands of dollars in repairs? Many drivers never check their coolant level until it's too late. They assume everything is fine because the engine is still running normally. But ignoring your cooling system can put your entire engine at serious risk. The cooling system is responsible for keeping your engine at the correct operating temperature. If it doesn't work properly, your engine can overheat within minutes, leading to expensive damage such as a blown head gasket, a damaged cylinder head, or even a complete engine failure. One of the most important things you should do is regularly check the coolant level. If your vehicle keeps losing coolant, never ignore it. A low coolant level usually means there's a leak somewhere in the system. It could be a hose, the radiator, the water pump, the heater core, or even an internal engine problem. Failing to inspect your coolant regularly could leave you stranded on the side of the road. Your car or truck may suddenly overheat and stop running, turning a simple 1-minute inspection into a major breakdown and a very expensive repair bill. Another common mistake is topping up the cooling system with ordinary tap water. This should be avoided whenever possible. Plain water can cause rust inside the engine, create mineral deposits that block coolant passages, reduce cooling efficiency, freeze in cold weather, and boil much faster in extremely hot temperatures. Always use the coolant recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. Coolants come in different types and colors such as green, red, blue, pink, and orange. However, the color alone does not determine whether it is compatible with your vehicle. Always check your owner's manual or the manufacturer's specifications before choosing a coolant. The coolant mixture is just as important. In most climates, a 50% coolant and 50% distilled water mixture provides excellent protection against both overheating and freezing. In very cold regions, a higher coolant concentration may be required according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Never mix different coolant types unless the manufacturer specifically states that they are compatible. Finally, make it a habit to inspect your cooling system regularly. Check the coolant reservoir, look for leaks underneath your vehicle, inspect hoses for cracks or swelling, and make sure the radiator cap is in good condition. Remember, checking your cooling system takes less than a minute, but that 1 minute could save your engine, save you thousands of dollars in repair costs, and prevent your car or truck from breaking down in the middle of the road. Take care of your cooling system today, and your engine will take care of you for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to keep their vehicle running reliably.